Warning! Military software detected. Top secret clearance required. Encryption code required. You have 30 seconds to comply. Security clearance complete. Customize combat software, Commander. Combat software fully customized. Proceed to Military Intelligence Emergency Briefing.
In 1946, Albert Einstein used his chronosphere device to go back in time and forever alter history. Einstein's good intentions, however, upset the delicate balance of world powers, allowing Joseph Stalin to lead communist Russia in a major invasion of Europe. Initially, the Soviet invasion was successful, and soon it appeared that the British would be the last free people in Europe. But the European allies rallied, eventually smashing the communist war machine. With Stalin's defeat, this man, Alexander Romanov, came to power with the blessing of Allied commanders. Although an aristocrat and a member of the Communist Party, Romanov was an advocate of peace. Current satellite intelligence indicates that Romanov may not be acting in good faith. Soviet warships have been spotted moving at high speed into the Atlantic. This man, known only as Yuri, may be responsible for shutting down our entire covert intelligence network in the Soviet Union. Ever since Yuri became Romanov's chief advisor, relations with the Soviet Union have deteriorated. Our in-country agents are missing. Some have been seen collaborating with KGB operatives. We need to prepare for the worst, Commander. War with the Soviets. The following are technical specs on current battlefield weapon systems. Observe carefully, Commander. You may have to command these units in combat.
President, it's General Carville at the Pentagon on line 5.
This is Dugan.
Mr. President, I'm afraid we have a heck of a situation down here.
How bad could it be, Ben?
According to NORAD, we've got Soviet aircraft coming at us from all directions and ground troops pushing up through Mexico. I don't know how they snuck in on us.
You better double check this with NORAD. This doesn't make any sense. I'll call the Kremlin.
Will do.
Da, Premier Romanov here.
What's going on over there, Alex?
Why, Mr. President, whatever do you mean?
Alex, I have, you're throwing everything you've got at us, Alex. We're supposed to be allies, you maniac. I'm the one that put you into office.
Listen very carefully. I am not your pet, Mr. President. We Romanovs have our legacy to consider.
I don't give a wooden nickel about your legacy. You call them off. Alex, you call them off. You know, we'll retaliate.
Oh, don't be so sure, Mr. President.
Sir,
Verification?
you betcha.
Sweet mother. It's time to hit back. Make it happen.
Yes, sir. This is General Carville. Soviet invasion confirmed. Execute launch order 010, Adam Delta Charlie.
Have confirmation. Missiles prime.
Armed!
Missile command.
10 seconds to launch. Open the missile silos. Jerry, what? We have to open the silos or they'll explode under... The silo doors are closed. This is suicide.
Is it done, Yuri?
No, Comrade Premier. It has only begun.
Wow.